Good morning, people! Tayo ay mag-ready. So, nandito na tayo sa baba. Nalubat kayo kanina sa taas. Nandito kasi yung battery ko sa baba. Yes. So, hindi ko na kinuha.
Mommy, can I come with you in the market?
Say hi. Good
Mommy,
morning.
can I come in you in the shop?
No, baby, because I have daycare today. Okay, next time you can go. Mommy will have a surprise to you later. You excited? Mommy will have a surprise.
I know.
Mouth.
I know. Haven't after school. You buy the surprise and you buy the boots.
The boots, yeah. Okay, we'll see if Mommy can buy your boots.
And my surprise.
Yeah. Okay. Dami niyang request, diba? Can you wipe your face? Kumain kasi siya ng Coco Pops. Next time, baby. Okay, we'll go next time.
I said I just want to come with you
in the car. Okay, let's go to daycare. Nagmamadali na si Mami kasi susunduin ko pa yung mama ko tsaka sister-in-law ko sa bahay nila. Okay, put this one, my love. Put your water bottle in your bag. What? Go. Okay, nagagawa. Come on, hurry up. Drop na natin si Mia. We're going to my parents' house to pick up my mom and my sister-in-law. So, kami lang yung sister-in-law ko may doctor's appointment. And my mom will just come with us. Kasi after ng doctor's appointment, we will go grocery shopping, guys. Kating ko ulan hanggang 1 PM lang naman. Oh my gosh, yung aking nilabhan kahapon, basa. Basa siya ng ulan. And, uulan hanggang bukas ata. Oh my gosh. So, good luck. I think we need to buy a dryer na. Nung summer pa nag-aasi if we can buy a dryer. Kasi sabi niya, ano daw, super dusty daw pag hinahang sa labas. Sabi ko, we don't need it right now. Kasi nga, ang summer, ang init-init. Tapos, magda-dryer ka, sayang naman magastos sa kuryente. So, siguro this time is the right time to buy na. Kasi, ano na guys, winter, umuulan, magwi-winter na. Parang ngayon lang siya talaga lumamig. Nung whole autumn. Autumn pa naman tayo ngayon. So, magwi-winter na talaga guys. Kasi June is starting ng winter. Andiyan na sila. They're here. Hello! Oh. They're here. I'm vlogging today. Ay, uy!
Taas gid ko ha. Taas ka gid ko rumah.
Nasanay kasta ko. Kalakit sa lakad.
Nasanay ko kay George. Hindi ka man ubuhabi. Hindi ka man taas oh.
Let's go to Coventry naman. Hindi ka mamananda ka. Tapos na tayo sa doctor. Tapos, maninda na tayo. Gonna go grocery shopping. Bili lang ako ng pork mince, tsaka soft bone doon, guys. Ayan. MCQ na kami, guys. Punta tayo doon sa mga veggies. Nag-order ako ng chicken, guys. Ayun, Ultimate Fried Chicken sa Ultimate. Masarap yung chicken nila dito. Yeah, pwede ka pumili ng spicy, ng flavor, level ng spicy. Nag-order ako and si Mama, kakain kami ng lunch sa kabila. So, ito yung parang gusto kong kainin. Kain tayo. Ito yung chicken, Ultimate Fried Chicken. Sarap. Mamaga. Ano ganin mo ma-order ma? White chow, nasi goreng, fried rice, and the fishbowl soup. Busog-busog naman tayo. Busog na ako. Dali ko mabusog dabi eh. Alright, andito na tayo sa Kmart. And ito yung bibilin kong gumboots kay Mia. Kasi nag-request nga siya ng gumboots. Meron silang Elsa, kaya lang hindi siya nagla-light up. Ito nagla-light up siya. Tingnan niyo. Yan. And ano siya, colorful. Cute. Kasi yung Elsa blue lang. Ayan, nag-blue lang siya. And $18 to. Ayan, that's the Elsa. Then, kita mo ng Elsa, kaya lang blue na blue. Meron din na ito. Naka-sale yung Lego nila. Naka-sale, guys. Oh my gosh, si Mia addict sa Power Rangers ngayon. Kaya lang wala man silang Power Rangers dito. Ayan, 4 plus Lego. 6, 8 plus. Wala yung 3 plus. Yung 3 plus kasi normally low siya. Dinosaurs. Ay, Spider-Man. Kaya hindi siya naka-sale. Yung 3 plus sana. Yung 3 years old plus. Ay, unicorn ang cute. $10. It's cute.
This is very nice.
So we went to Asian Grocery, which is the MCQ supermarket. So may mga nabili tayo dun. And then Mama went to Kohl's, hindi na ako pumunta dun. And I just went to Kmart. So yun lang. But yeah, this is what we've got. So from MCQ supermarket, yun yung Asian shop. Which is Ring, Oishi, cute Pochi, Oishi, and the 3-in-1 G7 coffee. Meron pa kami nito, pero yeah, bumili na lang ako kasi not all the time pumupunta ako dun. So, I've got that. Yatos, Milkies, and then I've got egg here. Sana walang nabasag, no? Yeah, wala naman. Ano to, extra large. Mas mura kasi sa MCQ kaysa sa Kohl's. Sa Kohl's, nagsa $7 siya. Ito, $5 lang. Like pork belly. So, bumili na din ako. Tapos mamaya, hiwain na naman natin. Segregate na naman natin sila. So, I think this one is the chicken wings. Got 10 pieces of chicken wings. Ay, may chicken liver. Half kilo lang yung chicken liver. Isang chicken bone. So, mamaya, hiwain na naman natin yan. Chicken feet. I think I've got 12 pieces. I have, ano nangyari? It's the mint. Pero mabasa siya, guys. Kasi yung mga pork ko. Isang Oishi. And then hot dog. The bean sprout. And this one is the pork belly. And ito para sa sweet and sour soup. Hindi kompleto yung ingredient ko para sa sweet and sour soup kasi wala silang ibang veggies. Naka 136.65 tayo dun sa MCQ. So we have sitaw, veggie, we have the powder for the pancake, Vietnamese pancake, papaya. I'm planning to make papaya salad, pero di ko alam kung kompleto na yung ingredients ko. I think kulang pa ako ng prawns. I don't have prawns. Bumili ako ng dragon fruit. Ayan, isa lang. We have mangga here. Ano to siya? R2. Yeah, R2E2 na mangga. And then, meron na mga sauce na binili ko. Ito yung quick marinade ng Nando's Peri Peri. Ayan, medium. And then, ito naman yung parang dipping sauce ata. Peri Peri sauce hot. Ayan siya. Hindi ko pa na-try magluto ng chicken with the Nando's marinade. So, try ko kung masarap. Kasi sayote. 4 ata itong kinuha ko. Kasi parang fresh siya, sabi ni Mama. I have chilies. I have the pineapple for the sweet and sour soup. Ito na yung mga veggies natin. Bitter melon. I have the Chinese pechay or bumbok cabbage. Punta kami ng bread top. I've got some bread there. So, ito yung coconut buns nila. Ayan. Ang breakfast. Ito yung paborito ko. Parmesan sponge cake. Yan yung paborito ko dun. Parmesan sponge cake. Dapat pinifridge ko. Kanina pa to sa labas. Natunaw na siya. And ito yung isa. Hindi ko pa na-try to. But this is mini Hokkaido cheesecake. That's what it looks like. Oh. Kita nyo ba, guys? Yeah. Pumunta ako ng Filipino shop kasi meron dong restaurant. And then I've got some takeaways na lang para hindi na ako magluto ngayon. Or mamaya. Yeah. Kasi 5 na. Magpa 5 na, guys. So I've got adobo, chicken curry, and dinuguan ata. Alright, so ito na yung sa Kohl's natin. Tadan! Another Elsa costume for Mia. Parang bago to na lang. Kasi last time hindi ko nakita to. 4 to 6 years old siya. Yung height is 95 cm to 125 cm. Yung height ni Mia parang nasa 90 plus na siya. So, ayan. Tama-tama lang to sa kanya. Yeah, another Elsa. Surprise natin siya mamaya. Pakita natin yan sa kanya. And then, another Elsa, Lego. Nakasale kasi siya, guys. So, binili ko na lang. I think it's $6. $6 ba yun o $10? 5 plus siya na age. Pero, yeah, she really likes Lego or Duplo. And then, the gumboots, ito talaga yung purpose ko dun sa Kmart. So, I've got the size 8. And sana kasya sa kanya. Hindi ko alam kung kasya sa kanya yung 8. Kasi yung 9 parang super laki din naman. Nagla-light up to siya. Ayan. Yung pinakita ko kanina sa inyo. So, only $18 for that. Excited na yung bata mag-gumboots. Kanina nag-request na siya mag-gumboots kasi. So, kaninang umaga, nagising siya. Tapos sabi ko, oh, Mia, it's raining. Sabi niya, oh, wow, it's nice to wear gumboots today. Gumaganon talaga siya. Tapos sabi ko, oh, yes, but we don't have gumboots. Kasi mayroon siyang noon, nung toddler pa siya. Pero hindi na kasya sa kanya, guys. So, hindi ako bumili kasi hindi niya masyado nasusuot noon. Kasi hindi pa naman nag-daycare na ba siya noon? Hindi pa. So, parang hindi pa siya nagde-daycare that time. So, hindi kami umaalis minsan pag umuulan. So, hindi na niya na-wear yun. So, ito, yan, very nice for this weather. Kasi this week, uulan ata hanggang Thursday. And then, ang dami niya na nito. But naka-sale siya. Ang dami niya na nito. I think may size 5 na siya. May size 7. Yun, ang bilis kasi niya lumaki. So, I've got her another one. Kasi maganda din to for pag nagpunta siya ng ballet. Ito yung susuotin niya. Maganda din to pag nagde-dress siya, naka-tight. So, ayan. Kasi yung mga, ano niya, mga ganito niya ngayon, yung binigay ni Ate Tin na lagi niyang suot talaga, guys. Hindi na kasya. So, I've got her the size 8. Kasi ayun, size 7 or 6. And yeah, di niya na masyado nasusuot kasi sira na din. Yung dito sa harap, sira na din. And hindi na talaga kasya. So, I got her the size, hala pochi, ang ingay. I got a size 8 and $8 na lang siya nakasale. Nandito na si Daddy. And then may mga nabili akong perfume. Ayan. Ano siya, guys? $6 nakasale. Hello, Daddy. Is that you? Ayan. Ayan siya, oh. 4 nito yung binili ko. Mabango siya, guys. Tinay ko siya, tapos naka-sale siya. $6 na lang. Hanggang ngayon, nandito pa. Meron din akong isang na-try doon dito. But, di ko siya binili kasi parang wala na silang stock. I just got home. Mabango siya, guys. Try nyo. $6 na lang. Di ko lang alam pag na-upload na yung video na to, available pa siya. Pero nabili ko na din yung maliit na version nito before. Yung 4 sila. Na spray. Yung pang travel. And yeah, mabango to. Papadala ko sa box. Sa balikbayan box natin. Ayan. So, itong isang box na to, $8 lang siya sa Kmart. And madami na siya. How many? 480 na wipes. So, ganyan. $8 lang siya. So, yan. Padala din natin to doon. Ayan. That's it. What did you tell everybody?
Do you know? That says.
Huh?
That says something.
Tomorrow, it says you have to wear yellow tomorrow.
Wear yellow tomorrow? I
Yeah.
don't want yellow.
It says you have to wear yellow. Everyone's gonna be wearing yellow.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
There. Children's ground. Wear it yellow Wednesday. See?
And my tooth can come out?
No, no. Just wear yellow.
And now the dentist can come here and to go out my tooth?
No, the dentist will just come and visit and check your teeth. But you don't need to get your teeth checked because we already went to the dentist last time. Yeah? You already get your teeth checked. Yeah. Come on, let's go.
I love you.
The little lady is home. Humihingi na siya ng surprise niya, guys. You miss you miss Mia? You miss your little sister? May muta ka, Pochi. You need to wipe that later. May muta ka. Oh, Mia, close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Look. Look. 1, 2, 3. Open eyes.
Wow.
What's this?
Do you have another surprise?
I have another surprise. Close. Close your eyes. I have a lot of surprise today.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Can you try it on?
Yes. Try if it fits me.
If it fits you. You need to put socks, Dor.
But you know, Ada has this.
Oh, Ada have that too? You have the same?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ada do have that.
We have to put your name on it then. Yeah? So we're not gonna exchange. Does it fit you? Let me see. Oh, that's perfect. We need to put, yeah, it's perfect. Just for this year. Kasi yung line, super haluga man sa'yo. You need to put socks on it when you wear it. Gusto niya. Show Daddy. You gonna wear that to school tomorrow? The gumboots?
Look at
Kasha sa kanya, guys. Medyo, may space pa
What?
for socks.
Who bought you that?
Mommy, do you have another surprise for me?
That's it, baby.
Have it on more.
You want more? I have another one. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open eyes.
Wow.
Ta-da!
Another one?
What's this? What's this?
What's the drawing?
What's that?
What's the drawing?
Elsa what?
What's the drawing?
Elsa drawing? No, it's a dress.
I forgot.
Elsa dress. You like it?
Yeah, but do you have another surprise for me?
I have a lot of surprise for you today. Look.
Another?
Look. What's that?
Wow.
It's a Lego.
Like a beautiful
Elsa.
restriction.
Yeah, follow the instruction.
Yes.
What Lego is it? What does it look like?
It looks like ice cream truck.
Ice cream truck.
Elsa want to buy something.
Oh, Elsa wanna buy something, yeah.
And
We have to put your name there, otherwise you're gonna swap. Yung isa niyang shoes last time yung nagla-light up din. Nauwi ng kanyang classmate. Classmate talaga. Nauwi ng isa niyang kasama sa school. Kaya umuwi kami last time, wala siyang sandal. Kasi hindi namin mahanap. Yun pala, nauwi pala guys. Nauwi ng kanyang kasama. Kasi same sila ng sandal. Alright, so ito na. Nakat ko na silang lahat. Pork belly, pork belly, pork belly. One day ano ako. I-fry ko to. Or gi-grill. We will see.
look at this.
Oh, wow. Pilipino ka talaga. Soft bone, soft bone. Parang ang dami nito. Baka bawasan ko to. And then, ito yung chicken bone. Masarap to itinola. Yeah, ito yung sobra. So, baka bawasan ko sila para maging even. Ayan. Naubos na yung ziplock bag ko na from Coast. So, ginamit ko na lang yung pang IKEA namin. Matagal na tong IKEA namin. Kaya lang di ko siya masyado ginagamit. Kasi mas gusto ko yung ziplock. But, yeah. So, yeah. Finally, tapos na natin sila i-segregate or i-cut. And, ayun, yung isa kanina niya pa ako tinatawag. Maglaro daw kami. Look at me as ice cream. It's done. That's so beautiful.
May,
Mm.
I I know something. I know.
What happened?
I know something. I
Know
know
something.
something, Mommy. Habit. Oh no, and it's a body. Mommy, and but you wanna play with this and pretend they're looking for ice cream and pretend she's selling ice cream.
Okay.
Elsa. So I'm gonna play that.
Let's play. Tired, okay.
No, pretend they're looking for ice cream.
Oh,
Selling,
I
selling.
want to have ice cream. I'm hungry.
Selling, selling.
It's so hot.
Ice cream.
Oh, there's ice cream. Let's go have some ice cream.
Selling, selling.
Hello? Can I get...
Huh? What is
Can I
that?
buy ice cream, please?
Yes. I'll come there now. So which one do you want?
Can I have chocolate ice cream, please? In a cone, please.
Okay, I'll get it. And it's right up. Huh? Why you push me? There it is. Here you are. You can lick it. You can lick it here. Here you are. Hey, talk to me. Here you are.
Alright, Mommy will get the dinner ready.
Mommy, that's fun, Mommy.
That's really fun.
Yeah.
I love it. Show people.
Then I have some.
Wanna have some. People wanna have some ice cream. Ang cute-cute ng ice cream na to.
Here, you can hold it.
Lego siya.
Here.
Okay. Thank you. You're giving it to people. How much is your ice cream?
$1.
$1.
$4.
$4? That's so expensive.
I have $1.
Yeah, just $1. Okay.
You have $2.
Okay.
$2 and $1.
Oh, yes.
$1?
Oh, how much is it? $1?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you $1. There you go. Mmm, so yummy. Let's eat. Mia is having adobo and Mommy is having the sisig. Hindi ko open yung chicken curry. Para sa boys yan later. And I've got my ultimate chicken na manghang. Yung natira kanina. Hindi na nga lang siya mainit, guys. Masarap yun pag mainit. Yummy? You want more sauce? Okay. Gusto niya kinakain yung egg sa adobo. Hindi pala ako bumili ng dinuguan. Sisig pala to.
I bet you know what Daddy told me? After school, I can have banana with acorn, right? After school only. But I already finished school. But I can have banana with them now.
Okay.
I bet I want you to get one off.
Okay. But are you gonna be full? You're full already.
I'm not. I'm not gonna be full. I really like that banana. It's so yummy. Andrew, come and eat. Andrew and Malcolm can eat with me.
Sabi niya
That's
marunong.
nothing.
Sabi niya marunong daw siya.
Mommy, what's
Tapos na siya maligo, tapos na din si Mommy.
Yeah.
Gusto niya pa maglaro, guys. Gulo-gulo na naman dito.
Mommy, what's it moving?
Yeah, be gentle. Come on, go. No, you can just go and get it now. Go get it without pushing it. Oh, good job. My turn. Hindi ko lang sa'yo nakita itong game na to.
See
Alam
how
mo,
you like that,
laruin.
Mommy? So I got red.
Yeah.
Oh,
Where did you
see,
learn
nice.
this? Where did you learn this game?
It's from you.
From me?
I'm doing nice
Why did you
now.
tell me
Yay!
how to play it?
I know how to play it.
Did you see someone playing it? Who?
You.
No? You didn't play it before.
Mommy, do you know? I'm doing nicely now. Look, see?
Nakita niya sa kabilang
Mommy, I'm
room.
doing nicely now.
Tapos sabi niya, Mommy, what's that? I wanna play that.
Wow. It's
So-
jungle.
Jenga.
Jenga.
Okay, put it.
Forgot. It's so fun.
Ang saya-saya niya, guys. First time niyo to laruin.
I got green
Green
again.
again.
You got it. No, my turn.
Looks like it's gonna break.
I got this one.
The brown one. Okay, get the brown one. No. Change. Stop, no, don't do that. Just leave it. Yeah, leave it. My goodness. So anyway guys, ayan na. This girl is packing away the Jenga. Tapos na kami maglaro, pero gusto niya pa yun. Maglaro pa siya ng tennis. So maglaro lang kami and then I'll put her to bed. So yeah, that's all for today's vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe on our channel if you haven't yet. And also don't forget to click the notification bell below if you guys want to be notified when we upload more videos. And if you want to see our cutie pie Mia right here.
Good night.
And blow kisses. Alam niya na yung drill. Siya na yung nagaganon. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.